Hey everybody, I'm Richard from Zappos.com, and today we're looking at the Day Hiker Pack 25 liter. It's from Burton. Now this pack has a really rugged and lightweight design, which is important for those outdoor adventures, so it'll keep you feeling nice and energized throughout your entire day. You do have that vertical board carry up here in the front so you can strap on your board, make sure it stays securely in place. It's got lots of padding here on those contoured shoulder straps, really keep your shoulders feeling great even if you're carrying around a lot of heavy gear. Got all kinds of pockets here across the front, these little grab and go guys there, those stretchy drink holders on each side so you can always stay hydrated. Got this little pocket up on top for those smaller items that you'll want access to quickly without having to dig around the main compartment. Then of course, this guy opens up, lots of space in there as you can see, with good padding against the sleeve in the back, as well as this guy up in front of it, to carry around your laptop and your tablet. So go ahead and add this awesome pack to your cart today. It's from Burton.